This video right here is going crazy. I already know. This right here, this is such a good thumbnail. That video right there, such a good thumbnail. Like you gonna want to, you got no choice but to want to see what's up. Should we watch it? Wavy kid with the quality. With the quality.
Where you get your beats? Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. Where you get yeah, it's the way. It's the way. It's the way.
How many subs is he at now, man? 27,000, 22,000. Young Bull.
YouTube, be back with another video. Alright, okay, I already did this video. I edited it, I got it done. Okay, the video got deleted. I was so pissed. Okay, but I had to re-edit it, and I gotta refilm it. I mean, not refilm it, I just gotta re-edit it and do another voiceover. Alright, but let's get into it. So I combed it out.
Hey, look who's in the building.
Before I start fading it, put my bald guideline in. Then I used my shavers, went up to that line and lift.
Wavy Kid Cat, bro, that thumbnail was a masterpiece thumbnail. YouTubers appreciate thumbnails, I think, more than most people. There's an art behind it. Killed it with that thumbnail.
Under the guideline. Then I did the lever open about a ½ inch. Then the one got open. I'm just debulking. And now I'm about to use my 0 guard close, flicking out this middle line. As y'all can see, I am using modified clippers by barber on Instagram. She does great work, and she don't cost that much compared to other blade sharpeners. So right now I'm doing detail work after I took out that bottom line with the lever close.
Taper clean.
What I'm about to do to it, I know I'm gonna have some trolls that people that don't know what they talking about. They're gonna be talking mess.
Hey, that boy Flight about to go in on you, Kev. About to go in. If he finds this video,
Comments, you know what I'm saying?
he's gonna go in on you, bro.
Okay.
Just let you know.
Just do me, you know what I'm saying? And teach the people that want to learn. And, yeah, I'm gonna just keep doing what I gotta do.
Yeah, not wearing gloves. Boy, I ain't wearing no damn gloves. Hashtag no gloves. Hey, yo, we need to send the whole barber community in the comment sections of one of Flight's videos. That'd be hilarious. That boy Kev is nice. Taper's clean.
Okay, now we about to line up the neckline. I went kind of high over his ear because I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's not really like strong up above his ear. So basically it was like a bunch of thin areas, so I just cut all the thin areas off. I know some of y'all might disagree with that, some of y'all might agree with that, but my client prefers it to be like.
Yeah, so let me take advantage of my fancy Apple Pencil. I think what you're talking about, Kev, is like pretty much all that hair right there. If you look above that red line, you could try to line that up, but it's gonna look like the cut wasn't even done. So he's bringing it up there, so there's an actual strong line. A lot of customers would prefer that. I would say it'd probably be like 50-50, where customers would prefer that. So
darker, so it can give off like a super crispy effect. So I am going to enhance it, but I wanted it to be dark without the enhancement. So
no rubbers.
My client was happy, I was happy, we got the job done. Okay, so now this front line, basically it grows everywhere, like in all different kinds of places. So I did a 1 guard open.
Bro, look at this hairline.
Sides. So basically what I'm gonna do is go against the grain on every area that the front line grows.
Nah, I'm gonna tell you what Flight would want you to do here.
So I did a 1 guard open to deep bulk on the side. Now I have my comb. I'm basically just gonna show y'all where I'm gonna start at, and like how far I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna start in the middle, like right below that thin spot in the middle. I'm gonna come to both sides, and I'm gonna bring.
I'm gonna tell you exactly how Flight would want you to line him up. You gotta keep it natural. Don't push him back, bro. Don't push him back. That's how Flight wants you to line him up. Because I'm gonna tell you right now, if you come here and you take all this hair off right there, Flight gonna go crazy. He gonna go off on you. He gonna fire you. If you take this hair off, that's gonna be a problem. You gotta keep it as natural as possible. Keep it as natural as possible. So that's how the lineup should look right there. And it ain't even just Flight, bro. It's a lot of barbers that be talking like that. You know how many, I've been doing this YouTube thing for years. You know how many comments I've gotten like, yo, you pushed him back? Like, bruh, what did you want me to do? What did you actually want me to do? I would like, if I could hand over the trimmer to those commenters, I would hand them the trimmer over, and you got to show me something I ain't never seen in my life before. Because some of y'all be acting like you could line this man up without pushing him back.
Vertical bars to
It's crazy.
end of the eyebrow.
Barbers be acting like it too.
Now I know I'm trying to show y'all what's the best way to do it, and I'm still gonna have some people in there saying push back.
He knows,
Listen,
yep.
There is nothing else you can
Look.
do. Okay, I could have left it natural with the super tiny forehead, but my client would have been pissed off. I would have did that. It has been times where I couldn't cut him. You know what I'm saying? He had to go to somebody else, but for the most part, he's been.
Kev, the whole comment section of this video, oh, I can't wait to go in the comment section. I'm gonna even comment.
So he's
I'm gonna even comment back.
And like how I managed to handle his hairline. So as y'all can see, these things is hitting.
Ooh, but hey, them things hitting.
Right now.
Them things are hitting.
Crispy without the enhancements. Okay, he usually does not get enhancements.
Sheesh.
Bro, you gotta let me do it for the video, for the YouTube video. And he was like, alright, man, only for the YouTube video. I was like, alright, bet, appreciate it.
Only for the YouTube video. You gonna like.
Enhancements, you gonna get them right, okay?
Hey, Kev, did he want it the second time you cut his hair? He might ask for it again, the enhancements.
And then we are gonna use the pencil on the front line and
I have.
behind the ears. Just
Facts, Pat.
Basic, just because it is a basic cut. You know what I'm saying? Being where he got braids or dreads on top, whatever you want to call it. Being that he got that on top, this is basically just to clean up, you know, with the taper on the sides.
He didn't need the enhancements,
So
but
if
the
you add
enhancements
some
just
flair to it,
gonna
it
make
gives
it
back a
pop.
whole different-
And he's enhancing it
So
nicely.
basically spraying these enhancements
Not
on,
over the
just
top.
Trying not to make it look too fake.
Boy, you better keep getting them enhancements.
Now I use my barber magic pencil. I can say that I put it on a little bit too thick on the one side, but
Hey, I like that. That's a professional pushback. I like that.
cut still came out clean. But it is something I paid attention to after. You know, you gotta learn to look at your mistakes. And
Thanks, Yanni. I
get
appreciate
better
that.
from looking at them.
Hey, Caesar, ain't it like that? It's like the cool thing to say is no
After you put that
enhancements.
magic pencil on, you want to trace it with your liners, and then after you trace it with your liners, just go in with the razor, and blend it all in, you know, as good as you can.
It said, little boy. Why he put spray paint on?
Alright, y'all, so y'all can see this shot right here is super duper clean. Okay, I'm getting the razor, I'm cleaning them up. The taper is looking crazy. That line up behind the ears.
Look how clean that cut is, though.
His forehead.
That mug clean, boy.
Hit that with the razor because it'll make his haircut last a little longer.
It's just good for
I know it's
pictures.
gonna grow back right
Good for
here,
pictures, good for the
It'll
day.
make it like just a regular cut.
Why T-Money?
Now,
Why
on
is he
the
gonna get
sides,
pimples?
you're gonna do the same thing. Make sure you stretch that skin when using the razor, especially somebody that has had a hairline like this and you fixed it. Okay, because you can not stretch the skin enough on the parts.
Let's
of your
go.
hair, and it can cut super easy.
So that
make sure you
245
stretch the skin.
It's just different. I don't know, Kev, I like your lighting, bro. Your lighting is nice, bro. Like you got, it's dark where it needs to be dark and it's bright where, you know what I mean? It's nice.
We got them together. I'll show y'all the after. Alright, y'all, YouTube, this is the cut. Let me know what you think. I need your honest opinion, okay? I know I'm gonna get some shade. I know I'm gonna get some criticism, okay? Alright, but it's cool. The taper's blurry. The lining is super crispy. We definitely saved that boy lining, okay? You cannot tell me we didn't save that boy lining, alright? But it's your boy,
Oh,
Kid
I
Cat.
see.
Follow me on Kid
Something
Cat.
Flight would say, yeah.
And that's it for me. I'm out of here. Deuces.
So clean. All right, guys. My favorite part. The comment section. Ooh, ha, 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 ha. Look, 873 comments. Hey, there you go. That was positive. As a professional barber for 6 years, I can say that you're far ahead of just starting it. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's good. I give it a 7 out of 10, maybe an 8 out of 10. Boy, where's his Instagram so I can click on that comment real quick and see his Instagram. Where in the title did it say the perfect haircut? Exactly how my hairline is. I was wondering how you was gonna do it. I remember watching you on 360's channel. You didn't just save his line, you saved his life. The lineup is a bit off. Yeah, I'm just gonna be all in Kev's comment section. Commenting on this man's earwax, making it hard for us to get people to want to be on our YouTube channel. I'm probably gonna make people mad for doing this stuff, but y'all know I'm joking. Like, this is literally me. This would be literally me just chilling, like watching videos, and I'll just troll the trolls. Just come in and then people get so upset if I do it and be like, yo, Chris is an asshole. I just learned what ASL meant. I didn't know it meant as hell. All right, should I stop here? I think I'm done. All right, I'm done. That's funny.